Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now for today, we're going to be making these gingerbread waffles. They are so delicious and they have a banana cream sauce on top, which pairs perfectly well. They're perfect for a brunch or a breakfast for somebody special. Now if you guys are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe down below so you won't miss out on my 3 weekly recipes. Now let's get started. These waffles, I'm going to be sifting in a bowl 2 cups of all-purpose flour along with a half a cup of sugar. I have here 3 teaspoons of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For the spices, I'm adding a half a teaspoon of each cinnamon, allspice, nutmeg, and ground ginger. This is going to give it that real authentic gingerbread taste. These might seem like quite a few ingredients to be preparing in the morning, but these waffles are extremely delicious. They're moist and so flavorful. Double the recipe and freeze the waffles so you could pop them in the toaster whenever you like. I'm whipping in a separate bowl 2 egg whites until they're firm. Then I'm adding my remaining wet ingredients, which are 3/4 cup of milk, a 1/3 cup of molasses, 1/3 cup of oil, and the 2 egg yolks. Mix everything together along with the egg whites just until it's fully incorporated, but be sure not to overmix this batter. You don't want to have tough waffles. These are going to be light and fluffy and so delicious. Don't forget that the recipes are always listed down below. Now that your batter is ready, this is what it looks like. It's very thick. So preheat your waffle maker and add the batter. These cook up quickly and they are very tender waffles. So if you wanted to crisp them up a bit, place them on a baking sheet when they're done and keep them in the oven on a low setting until you're ready to eat. For the last part, I'm going to show you how to make this banana sauce to put on top of these waffles. It is just out of this world. It will bring these gingerbread waffles to a whole other level. I'm smashing 2 bananas into a strainer. I want to ensure that there'll be no pieces of banana in this sauce, just a pure silky texture. Next goes in a half a cup of whipping cream, and I'm going to whisk this up until it slightly thickens. I'm adding a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar is going to go in at the end to sweeten it up a bit. You can add as little or as less as you like. And that is pretty much it, you guys. Your gingerbread waffles with banana sauce is ready. These are the ultimate breakfast waffles, so unique and flavorful, also tender, also great for a dessert on their own. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy recipe. Let me know in the comments section what you thought about them, and be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Be sure to stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, and I'll see you next time. Bye.